This is Ryan at Fishhooked. Today we wanted to show you how easy it is to shop and make a purchase on fishhook.com. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your account. I'm actually already logged in. So then you'll just go to the shop menu. From here you can view all the products that are for sale. If you want to find something specific, you can sort according to category. You can also sort according to the price you're looking for and also the date the item was added. So once you find a product that you're interested in, you're going to want to click on it for more details. And here you'll see all the pictures of the item. You'll see information about the seller and also product details. So there's a couple options from here. You can contact a seller, and you can do that to either ask the seller a question, or you can actually make an offer on the item if you think you can get the item for a better price. If you're actually ready to buy the item, all you do is add it to the cart. So now the item's in your cart. We want to view the cart. Here's your item. There's the price and the total. And the total does include shipping. So then you just proceed to checkout. So then you're going to want to fill in all of your billing details and your address. Make sure all that's correct. Move down here, and this is where you actually will submit the payment. So you do not need to set up a Stripe account to purchase. You only need a Stripe account to sell. So all you do is enter payment details to use any credit card. So here you put in your email, put in your card number, expiration, and then you confirm. And from there, all you have to do is accept that you've read the terms and conditions and then place your order, and you're all set. So after you place your order, you'll receive an email confirmation, and the seller will also be notified. That way they can get your item ready and get it shipped for you. And that's it. Super easy. So if you have any additional questions, check out our FAQ page. There's a lot of information there. Or shoot us an email at info@fishhook.com. Cheers.